Hello friends, my name is Anil Trivedi, integrating elements of life. In this small presentation, I'm going to share my story. I'm a firm believer of the fact that the conditioning of mind is the direct reflection of our thinking and is created by our name. Meaning of my name is Vayu in Hindi and air in English. My personality is largely influenced by the two important attributes of air, which are touch and sound. Please note that these two dimensions of air is also demonstrated very beautifully in my logo. Power of touch helps me in learning, relating to others, experiencing the goodness of life, and spreading love and affection in society. Power of sound helps me in building effective communications with people, express feelings, exchange ideas and informations. I live in India, New Delhi. If you explore the web, then this is what Google is going to tell you about me. Some of the important aspects of my personality that Google is not going to touch upon are: I believe deeply in human potential and in my inner strength. I am born with purpose to get enlightened. I am a God-loving person and believes in fate and destiny. I'm trying to integrate goodness of 5 elements into my work so as to attain moksha by karma. I am ambitious and is looking forward to scale new heights both in professional and personal capacity. I am zealous and is always ready to take challenging and complex projects. I am really fortunate and is blessed with small, loving and caring family. I am creative and believes that marketing can be done by wandering around. I am versatile in building ideas and delivering success. Stuff at which I am really good at is solving business problems, analyzing and synthesizing information, and in building holistic thinking processes. I am a quick learner and have an innate skill to figure out how to do stuff, especially for which I have absolutely no idea to do. Building positivity is also one of my big inner strengths. Some of the things that I will like to do again and again in my life are: explore insights, seeking truth, spark creativity, lead initiatives, cultivate brands, strengthen companies, build team, encourage others and challenge myself. Some of the things that I really hate doing is working without meaning and meeting for the heck of meetings. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank my friends and my colleagues who have posted encouraging comments on my work. To explore more about me and about my works and projects, please log on to my personal website www.aniltrivedi.com.